the wrangle coat. I just took off the tapered cover. Then to replace the tapered cover gasket, but I need to clean here, and I think this one doesn't need any gasket. It's just sealant, you know, so because doesn't look like it needs a gasket. We bought the gasket anyway, but unfortunately I don't think this is the right thing. Here is a manifold. Here's all the other stuff, but now I just want to clean here.